Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel English with Kondaya sir. Today onwards, we are going to start beautiful examples and exercises on grammar topics. So we are starting with the fantabulous topic, that is prepositions. Let us start. See the first question. The old man leaned dash the wall. The old man leaned dash the wall. Options are A, on, B, above, C, over, D, against. A, on, B, above, C, over, D, against. Can you choose the best answer for this? Yes. See, leaned against the wall is the perfect answer. Lean against the wall. Why? What's the reason? You say this. On the wall. What is meant by on the wall? Means top of the wall. No, it is not at all correct. So above the wall. Above the wall means that is also moving on the wall. Over the wall also the same. But against the wall. In order to take rest, some people will be against the wall in order to have some rest from that. So against is the perfect answer here. Okay. Next, the education minister presided dash the function. The education minister presided dash the function. Option A, about. Option B, on. Option C, over. Option D, for. Option A, about. Option B, on. Option C, over. Option D, for. What is the meaning of presided? Presided means delivered. Delivered a speech. Delivered about the function. No. Here we must not use about. On the function, not at all. For the function, giving. For means giving. No, not at all. Over the function. Presided is the word which takes a fixed preposition, that is over. Right? So, the education minister presided over the function. Okay? Right. Third question. The people protested dash hike in petrol rates. The people protested dash hike in petrol rates. Options are option A, against. Option B, on. Option C, for. Option D, through. Please select your answer. Protested, nothing but fight. Fight. Dash hike in petrol rates. So the answer is against hike in petrol rates. Protested against. Okay, opposite to the some situation that is hiking in petrol rates. So we are against. We are protesting. We are fighting against that. So here on must not be used. For we should not use. Through also must not. Not meaningful at all. But what is the perfect one? Against. Protested against. That is also fixed preposition. Okay, fixed preposition, right? And next question is, my uncle lives dash writing books. Okay, my uncle lives dash writing books. Here in English, lives followed by two prepositions. Lives followed by two prepositions. One is, when live is the word comes, live always followed by, yeah, if it is profession or any work in the sense, we have to use by. We have to use by. If live by is nothing but when we are telling about a profession. My uncle lives dash writing books, by writing books. Lives by writing books. But if it is any other case, like another case is also there. What is that? If it is food in the sense, then we have to use on. Lives by writing books, lives on sons of food. Right? So let us answer this question and next we can go for another question. My uncle lives by writing books. Lives by writing books. So lives on writing books, not correct. Lives in It is not at all correct. And lives since writing books. No, not absolutely. But what is the perfect one? Lives by writing books is the correct answer. Okay. So most wild animals live dash flesh. Live dash flesh. I told you no. Lives by writing. That is the profession of him. That is the job of him. That is the work of him. But here, many wild animals live on flesh. Live on flesh. Nothing but depend on flesh. Depend on flesh. Okay. So here, on is the right answer. By is nothing. It's not at all correct. About flesh, no. We won't live about flesh, and they won't live at flesh at all. So live on flesh. Okay. So that's the right answer for this. Next question. Dr. Abdul Kalam was worthy dash his mistakes. Dr. Abdul Kalam was worthy dash his mistakes. You say this. Here, words like jealous. Words like jealous. So, jealous is the word which is in the same manner of this one also. And afraid is the word. What is that? Afraid is the word. So, afraid, jealous, and worthy, all these words followed by the same preposition. What is that? Option A, for. Option B, on. Option C, off. Option D, in. Which is the perfect answer? Could anyone say? Yeah, very nice answer. Worthy of his mistakes. Afraid of something. Jealous of her brother. Jealous of her sister. Like that. Okay. So, of. Worthy is the preposition, is the word always followed by the preposition of. Right? Next. Sri Rama was married dash Sita. Seventh question. Sri Rama was married dash Sita. Option A, with. Option B, to. Option C, off. Option D, OF, off. Option A, with. Option B, to. Option C, off, OFF. Option D, OF, off. Wow, absolutely fantastic answer. Really awesome. Say this, to, married to. Whenever B form, nothing but is, am, or was, or were, B form plus V3 is there. V3 is nothing but married. B form plus married is there in the sense it must be followed by the preposition to. Was married to. So here we must not use by or with or someone else. We have to use the preposition to. Sri Rama was married to Sita. Okay. So next question. Eighth question. Be loyal dash your motherland. Be loyal dash your motherland. Okay. So option A, for. Option B, from. Option C, to. Option D, with. Say this. Option A, for. Option B, from. Option C, to. Option D, with. Be loyal dash your motherland. Say this. Loyal is the word. Loyal is the word. Loyal, humble, this kind of word, or listen, these kinds of words, or addicted also. Say this. Loyal, humble, addicted, listen, all these words followed by one preposition. Loyal for, wrong. Loyal from, wrong. Loyal with, wrong. But loyal to is the perfect answer. Listen to, humble to, addicted to. Okay, all these followed by the preposition that is to. Right? And next question is, he is not interested dash the job he is doing. He is not interested dash the job he is doing. Option A, with. Option B, for. Option D, option C, in. Option D, about. Option A, with. Option B, for. Option C, in. Option D, about. So interested is the word. Interested. Remember one thing, all my dear friends. When we are reading the fixed preposition, you have to depend on the word which is there before the blank. Okay, if you are able to identify the word which is there before the blank, and you can easily tell that which preposition is followed by that word, that is only the main way, right? So he is not interested with, for, in, about. So interested, say this, interested, and the words like resulted, resulted, or the word like snugged. What is this? Snugged. So these kind of words followed by the fixed preposition that is in, followed by the fixed preposition that is in. So option C is the right answer for us. He is not interested in the job he is doing. Understand? He is not interested in the job he is doing. Question number 10. Are you familiar dash this topic? Are you familiar dash this topic? Option A in, option B to, option C with, option D on. Option D on. Which is the perfect answer here? Yeah, familiar means related. Familiar means related. See, familiar and vexed is the word. What is that? Here we can learn one more word. What is that? Vexed. Vexed and familiar, these words followed by not in and not to. Familiar in is not correct. Familiar to, absolutely wrong. Familiar on also wrong only. Then what is correct? Familiar with, vexed with, surrounded with, surrounded with. These are the fixed prepositions, friends. Okay, na? Vexed with, familiar with, surrounded with. Right? Very good. Next question. That is 11th question for us. My brother deals dash sugar. My brother deals dash sugar. Say this. Deals. Next question also deal only. Deals, deal. What is the difference here? See the 12th question also. Don't deal dash him. He is a cheat. So when two words are same, when common words are coming, just underline that word, deals and deal. Deals and deal. And let us go the word after the blank. The word after the blank. Here sugar is given. Here sugar is given. Here him is given. That means here is a thing and here is a person. Here is a person. So here you can understand that my brother deals with sugar. No, not correct. Deals in, deals of, deals for. Within that, deals in sugar is absolutely right. Why in the sense? Deals in means nothing but business. Deals in means nothing but business. Understood? Yeah. Deals in means business. So my brother deals in sugar, deals in textiles, deals in some other things, nothing but he is doing that business. But what is the second one here? Let us say that. See, don't deal with him. He is a cheat. Right? See, don't deal in him. So, in is not correct because it is not the business. Off is not correct. Deal of him. No, we can easily say that. Deal for him. Deal for him. You can give a deal for him. Yes, it is another usage is there. But we are not asking give him like that. We are saying that don't deal with him is correct. Don't deal with him. Deal with him. Deal with a person. Deal in a business. Deal with a person. Deal in a business. That should be understood. Deal followed by a person, we have to use with. Deal followed by some other things like businesses things, we have to use in. That should be understood here. Right? And question number 13. Sita died dash malaria. Sita died dash malaria. Option A with. Option B in. Option C from. Option D for. Option A with. Option B in. Option C from. Option D for. Died. You say this. Died also has different usages. Died also has different usages. See here, 14th question. Bhagat Singh died dash his country. Bhagat Singh died dash his country. See here, his country. After the verb, after the blank, his country is there. But here you can find malaria. Malaria. So, malaria is a disease. Is a disease. And his country, we know the country itself. He mentioned the country. So, when died followed by disease, we have to use here option. Say this. Option A with the, option B in, option C from, option D for. Can you choose the answer, dear friends? Yeah. Whether you identified that or not, that answer is not there in the options. The right answer is off. The right answer is off. Sita died of malaria. Died followed by disease. We have to use malaria. I mean off. Died of malaria, died of cancer, died of any disease. We have to use only off. And here you say this, Bhagat Singh died dash his country. Bhagat Singh died dash his country. Option A at, option B from, option C for, option D off. Which is the correct one? Died of his country, correct? His country is a disease. No, it's not a disease. Here we have to use a died for the country. Died for the country. So what is the answer here? Option C is the right answer. Bhagat Singh died for his country. Okay, now one who is sacrificing for his country, died after we have to use for. Died after we have to use for. Nana. Next, I congratulated him dash his success. I congratulated him dash his success. Say congratulated, option A on, option B for, option C to, option D about. Option A on, option B for, option C to, option D about. You say this, congratulate is the word takes the preposition on. Congratulate is the word takes the preposition on. See, you can find on is the right answer. See, congratulated for his success. People say that. No, congratulated for is absolutely wrong one. But which is one? Absolutely right one is on. Congratulated on. Congratulated to, congratulated about. No, there are no usages like that at all. Congratulate is the word takes the preposition on only. You can blindly write that answer. Right? So, question number 16. I am confident dash my success. I am confident dash my success. Same another question is there. See, I have no confidence dash me. Confident and confidence. Confident and confidence. Confident is an adjective. Confidence is a noun. Confident is an adjective. Confidence is a noun. See here, I am confident dash my success. Option A for, option B in, option C of, option D with. Confident for my success. Is it correct? No. Okay. Next, confident in my success. Not absolutely. Confident with my success. Not use. So, confident of my success. I am confident of my success is the right answer. Confident is the word followed by the preposition of. I have no confidence dash me. Say this. Option A for, option B in, option C of, option D about. Could anyone say the answer now? Confident takes off, but confidence take for. Correct? For correct? No. Of correct? No. About correct? No. Confident about me. Confident of me. Confident take off, but confidence takes in. I have no confidence in me. I have no confidence in me. That's the right answer. 18th question. Lava and Kusha were born dash Lord Sri Krishna. Here 4 or 5 questions will be followed by born only. 4 or 5 questions will be followed by born only. So if we are saying our parents' name or somewhere else, we have to use born to. What is that? Born to. If we are telling born after a year or month, born after year or month in the sense, we have to use in. We have to use in. If it is followed by born after uh, parents, rich parents and all, here we can understand that derived, where from where it is derived, from one is derived, where from where one is derived, there we have to use of. There we have to use of. Okay, so let us see all these things, then you can understand and you can have a clear image of everything. Okay, so Lava and Kusha were born dash Lord Sri Krishna. Option A for, option B in, option C to, option D for. So here what is indicated? Born after, born after name of the parent is indicated. I told you, no, parent has come in the sense 2 is the right answer. Lava and Kusha were born to Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna. Okay, next, he was born dash 1948. Remember that in prepositions, whenever year comes, whenever a single year comes, whenever a single year comes, we have to use in. We have to use in preposition. He was born for 1948. Wrong. He was born by 1948. Wrong. He was born at 1948. Absolutely wrong. But born in 1948 is right. Born in 1948 is right. Right. Pandit Nehru was born dash rich parents. Here parents' names are not mentioned. He's saying that dash rich parents, born dash rich parents. Here the meaning of this sentence is derived. It indicates a derived, where, from where that he derived. Okay, so when derived or origin is telling in the sense, we have to use. Let us see the options first. Option A to, option B in, option C of, option D for. Born in rich parents, born to rich parents, born for rich parents, no, born of rich parents. When it indicates derived, we have to use of. Derived or origin in the sense, we have to use of. Understood? Next, the baby was born dash July 31st. The baby was born dash July 31st. Remember one thing, when born followed by complete year or date and month, we must use born on. We must use born on. Okay, the baby was born on July 31st. Okay, so on is the perfect answer for this question. He was born dash Germany. He was born dash Germany. So we already discussed it. When country is there in the sense, when country is there in the sense, we must use in. Okay, he was born in Germany. He was born in Germany. Okay, next, agree is the word. Let us see what about agree. He did not agree dash his father. He did not agree dash his father. Option A to, option B with, option C on, option D for. Choose your answer. Option A to, option B with, option C on, option D for. He did not agree dash his father. Agree after person in the sense. Agree after person in the sense, agree with. Agree after person in the sense, agree with. Agree after proposal in the sense agree to. Agree after proposal in the sense agree to. Agree followed by a suggestion or advice or point in the sense agree on. Agree on. Say this, agree with a person, agree to a proposal, agree on a suggestion or advice or a point. Let us see the answering for that. He did not agree, dash his father. Option A to, option B with, option B C on, option D for. See what is mentioned after blank? His father. Is it a person? Yes, absolutely. So, agree with a person is right answer. Next, I will agree, dash your proposal. I will agree, dash your proposal. Proposal directly mentioned. Proposal, agree followed by proposal. We have to use to. Agree to a proposal. Okay. Next, Ram and Sham. Ram and Sham agreed dash my pieces of advice. Ram and Sham agreed dash my pieces of advice. Pieces of advice. We must not use piece of advices or advices. We must use pieces of advice if you want to use plural. See, agreed advice, agreed suggestion, agreed point. We must use on. Okay, agreed on a suggestion, agreed to a proposal, agree with a person. Okay, now I hope these questions are very, very useful for you. Different questions that I'm preparing, that I'm identifying, I'm gathering, and I'm trying to give you the best. So please do subscribe our channel and follow for more updates. Or any other comments are there, any other suggestions are there, please give me. I shall take your suggestions positively. Thank you. Bye bye.